Hello, my dear friends. I am going to tell you what is invert selection and how to use them in MS Paint. So please watch this video until the end. 1. What is invert selection and how to use in MS Paint? Answer. It is used when if you want to select those particular object which you do not want to delete, but all remaining object delete, then instead of these command used invert selection. How to use them. Step 1. Draw many shapes. Step 2. Take selection tool. Step 3. Select particular object which you want to kept. Step 4. Click on selection. Combo box. Step 5. Select invert, selection option. Step 6. Click on delete, move, etc. Then you will see result itself. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe it.